Alright, let me get some sunlight. Good morning, y'all. So today I'm about to do my wash day routine, and then I'm about to put a V-part wig on that's sponsored by Alipearl hair, so shout out to them. But as you can see, y'all, my hair been in a ponytail for almost a month. Like, do y'all see all this stuff that's in it? But don't worry, we about to get this thing. Okay, hey y'all, we back with a video. I said we back with a video, back with a video, and this time I want to thank Alipearl for sponsoring this video. And y'all already know we don't do all that talking, we just jump into the video. But y'all, check me out. Check me out. Don't I look like I'm ready for a beach? Quit playing with it. Quit playing with the girl. Y'all already know we don't do all that talking. We just jump into the video. So you want to get your hair like this? Stay tuned. And again, shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
My wash day routine. I'm a little sad. I went too long without washing my hair. It was almost a month and a half without washing my hair. And this is, it's really not that much hair, but this is the hair. The next thing y'all gonna be seeing is the sponsor part, which is by Alipearl hair. So I'm about to go put some leave-in conditioner and all that. Basically prep my hair for this week. So yeah, stay tuned. On to the next clip. Okay y'all, so I'm back. So the half up half down I tried to do, it didn't work because I didn't measure my head when I emailed the company, and the wig, it's not too, it's like a slight bit big. So I'm gonna try to do something else to make it work. So I already have my hair in a low ponytail, and then in the front I already have my leave out in like a V part. So okay, so I'll be trying not to wear my glasses because it look better, but I'm gonna need my glasses. So we're gonna try this again, and I got frustrated, so I didn't want to just throw up no content, so I just stopped filming, and it's a new day, so we're gonna do this again. And they sent the wig cap, so you don't have to worry about purchasing items you need when you going through them. They're gonna send you everything you need. So we're gonna put the wig cap on. We're gonna go ahead and do our edges first. Again, like I said, they send you everything you need. So we're gonna pin this back because I need to see. If I wrote you a symphony. Okay, so now we did that part. You see the edges, right? So this a quick step. Like, it's not gonna take no more than 5 minutes. So you're gonna take the V part and you're gonna put it as close to your leave out as possible. I might need to pull back a little bit. Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? And then you're gonna put the under clips. Take me on the regular. Oh, I like this already. And then you're just gonna blend. Like I said, it's a quick process, y'all. I need a comb. Hold on. Okay, like I told y'all, this is a quick process. So you just basically, now we blending it to look as natural as possible. My hair might be a little too curly for this, but we gonna make it work. But I ain't see myself another girl like you. Okay, y'all, I added a little water, but my texture is seeming to not match this. Like, I'm trying everything, but it's seeming to not. It's blending in a little bit, not as I want, much as I want to. Swing here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. This side kind of, well, I don't know. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside. We just got to make a style out of it, since it don't want to go right. On the grassland side by side, you could be my baby. Let me make you my thing. We're gonna fix the edges up a little bit. Girl, you amaze me. Okay, y'all. Do nothing crazy. Come on, y'all. I knew I was gonna find something to do, but I'm gonna reach out to them, y'all, and try to get one that actually match the texture of my hair, so I can show y'all more fun things to do with it. But right now, I just tried to. All I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away. Give y'all a little something. But you can do more with V-part wigs. Just make sure you match the texture of your hair. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to rock this look, this wedding wavy, quit playing with it. Be sure to go check out Alipearl hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys like it. Sorry that it took me so long to try to, get some going, but if you do this style, be sure to send me pictures and all that. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video.